7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Weatherford, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, Azle, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, Reno, Edgecliff Village, Aledo, Springtown, Westworth Village, and Blue Mound. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The current time is